In this video, I'll show you how to remove connected apps from Google account. To get started, go ahead and open Google Chrome. Now on Google Chrome, make sure you're signed in into your account. In here, go ahead and click on the top right corner of your screen. Click on Manage Your Google Account, and this will take you into the Google Accounts section. And here on the left side of your screen, you'll be able to find this sidebar. So go ahead and click on that Data and Privacy tab, and under that, once you scroll down, you'll be able to find this section where you can actually find the connected third-party applications to your Google account, which is under the data from apps and services you use. So click on that third-party apps and services. Select an app or service that you want to disconnect with your Google account. So to be able to do that, just simply click on that service or application, and that will take you into the section where you'll be able to find the option to delete all of the connection that you have with the service or application. Once you click this, that will take you into this section. So click on this delete all connections you have with the application, and a pop-up will prompt on your screen which will actually ask you to confirm your action. So simply select confirm, and all of the connections that you have for this app or service would be removed. That's basically how you can remove connected apps from Google account. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.